The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, water and electricity can be a dangerous combination. You see it? Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again, you see, and I just presented to you one video that is out on social media, and that video shows when water from the sea somehow got onto the land and almost caused injury to a person. You see me? Yeah, the person was on a ladder and the water came from out of the sea and make it to the land. You see me? I said to you, the person almost got hurt. You see me? And you know, I heard maybe one or maybe two persons say something about electrical shock in that video. You see me? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video. I presented that video to you because it's been talked about on social media, and that video was somewhat shocking to me. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video. Alright, now I'm going to move on to other videos right about now, and with that I'm going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that are out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, it is said that these two pieces of videos shows something that happened where it is said that a police officer hit a person and the person hit the police officer. As I say, I don't know exactly where in the world this had happened, you see me? Nor do I know when these videos had been recorded, you understand me? But by looking at these pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers, maybe you can tell me where you think this had happened in the world. As I said to you, some comments have been made about these pieces of videos that gave me the understanding that some persons are asking who was wrong. As I say, some persons are saying that the police officer was wrong, and some persons are saying that the person was wrong, and you know, other different comments have been made about these two pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to present these two pieces of videos to you right about now, and you can tell me what you think, you see me? And based on what you are about to see in these two pieces of videos, you can tell me who you think might be wrong or so on, you see me? Now, as I am about to present these two pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these two pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here are the two pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hold money. No, he'll accept that, man. Hold money. Don't fucking fast. You're strong, boy. You beat me. Bang your fucking man. I want to. Take your fucking stuff. Look at me. I don't know big man by fast. You beat me. Don't fuck me.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you see, me is the kind of person like this. You see, I think I said this before in other videos that I did, like previous videos. You see me, I am not the type of person that just so quickly to judge. You see me, I said to you, but when we look at these two pieces of videos, in my point of view, I think both persons are wrong. You see me, I say, yeah, that's my opinion. I think both persons are wrong. You see me, I say, civilians should respect the law, and police officers should respect civilians. That's my thought. You understand? Yeah, that's my opinion and point of view there. So I think both persons are at fault when it comes on to some of the things that have been shown in these two pieces of videos. Alright? Now anyways, I'm going to move on right about now to another video, viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a artist who goes by the name of Teejay saying some things while he was on a live recording. You understand? Yeah, in my point of view, some things that Teejay said in this video I considered some of the things that he had said in this video to be some positive things that he had said. So I said to you. Anyways, may I present this video to you because this video is also being talked about on social media. You me? Yeah, Teejay putting out some positive words out there. You know, he's saying some positive things. You see me? More you, my viewers and subscribers, to hear some of the things that Teejay had said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that Teejay had said. All right. Now, some of the things that had been said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right. Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
That's if I'm going at that, brother, but it's good. A whole heap we survive and we there as the same way. We not go like we no idiot. I just the music, I just that, I the passion. From a 6-year-old me I sing, me not have nothing else, me never work. I don't know that. I passion youth, I just me youth them me I do this for youth. Me nah, cause we my father never mind me, you know. Not care if you want to hear this or none of my other family them want to hear and begs for him side. My father never mind me, you know. I'm a stepfather help my mother. My stepfather, my mother got 5 pitney. And only one away for my stepfather. And my stepfather help all away. My stepfather send my little sister go to school. My stepfather go out to go work and put on food on the table for me. So I promise myself, so I have to make sure I say youth them good at as long as me there. Say if something go happen way, you go get my life in a problem or a situation, me go just walk away from it. Cause I remember say yo, I youth them. Nah, me nothing draw me. All if you have to tell myself, it's up my mama. And me have to hold it. Me have to walk away. Me I take that sack your mother there. By a man, me make people say, oh Teejay, I idiot, cause man tell me sack your mother. I'm not idiot. I am an idiot. You see me? I am gonna feel it, brother. Can't this good people, youth. So I'm not this people, alright. You notice me not this people. See me? If me not have nothing good for say, me not say it. Sir. Enough things happen now, hold that dog like a G, even in a game. We never disrespect no artist set in a game. We never trouble no artist set in a game if we never look into that. We listen every artist, no matter what they say, we listen every artist and you can't stop with for listening. No matter where you do. You come like you make people know me now. Because if nobody know me and you get up now with something on your head and I disrespect Teejay and nobody know Teejay, you just don't make somebody know Teejay. So I'm so thankful for your promotion, sir. Now if you know when to walk with from things, you see me? Hey, me chat too much I know, yeah, man.
Viewers, subscribers. You see the part where Teejay is trying to let persons know that if someone is going to say something disrespectful to him, he is just going to walk away. I agree with that part, you see me? Just think about some of the things that I am about to say, you see me? Why should a person put himself in trouble with the law just because someone says something disrespectful to them, you see me? I mean, is it worth sitting in prison or jail for long periods of time and going to court and, you know, trying to see if you can get yourself clear from some charges that might come against you if you decide to attack a person just through a person say something disrespectful to you? Just think about it. Is it worth it? In my point of view, I do not think it is worth it. See me? So I agree with some of the things that Teejay had said in that video. You see me? Panari. To me, it don't make no sense to put yourself in trouble with the law. See me I say? It no matter who you are. Someone disrespect you, just walk away. You see me I say? That's how me look at life. So, but you can let me know what you think, you know. I'm just telling you what I think, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say to you? I believe in walk away from trouble. You see me? But you can let me know what you think. Alright? Alright. I would encourage anyone to walk away, you know. Yeah, I would encourage anyone to walk away. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. I just presented to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I present these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos and you can also tell me what to think and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.